One more cause of deforestation or cutting down of trees is that trees are used for making paper. So if trees are used for making paper, then the number of trees around the world will keep on decreasing. So what is the solution? The recycling of paper. In this story, Professor Ahmed tells the children that it takes 17 trees to make 1 ton of paper. It means if you want to make 1 ton of paper, then you need 17 full grown trees. So what is done with the trees? The trees are cut and then their pieces are kept in water, and then when it becomes soft, then it is melt and made into paper. What is the solution? We should save paper. Paper can be recycled 5 to 7 times. That means when you make paper, use it, then you can send for recycling, make the paper again. So it can be recycled 5 times. If each student saves at least 1 sheet of paper in a day, we will save many trees in a year. We should save, reuse used paper and recycle it. By this, we not only save trees but also save energy. If we are saving the trees, then we will save the forest. We will save the energy used to recycle it, because we can say that we will recycle the paper, but whenever we will recycle, we will need energy for it. So that energy will again cause disbalance in nature. So if you recycle the paper and reuse the paper, it will save trees but also save energy and the water needed for manufacturing paper, because whenever paper is made, it needs large amount of paper, and the amount of harmful chemicals used in the paper will also be reduced. Chemicals are used, and the chemicals are used for bleaching the paper, for making it white, and for making it unaffected by microbes. So that will also be reduced. So recycling of paper is one of the topics, because recycling paper helps in conservation of